How to add another language in Duolingo. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely add a new language in the application. First of all, open it. Now, here on the left top, you can see this flag icon. Simply tap on this flag, and here you'll be able to see this plus icon. Tap on this plus icon. So this is the place where you can completely add a new language. Here you can scroll down for the language that you want to learn. So here I'm tapping on one. Here on the bottom, tap on continue and you're all set to go. Here you'll be able to have different questions, and here you can even categorize what level you are in of a new language. So after setting it up, you'll be able to learn two different languages at once. So Duolingo gives this feature of having two languages that you can learn at the same time. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.